Hello and welcome to the New Indian Express News Wrap. I am Harshita Nagpal. 4 more cases of the Omicron variant have been detected in Andhra Pradesh, taking the total tally in the state to 28. While 3 of them returned to Prakasam district from the UK and the United States, the 4th person is a contact of a foreign returnee in Guntur. A 7-year-old boy who returned from the UK is among those who tested positive for Omicron. Of the total 28 cases, 6 people have so far recovered from the highly transmissible variant. On the other hand, the spike in the number of fresh COVID cases continued, with the state adding 434 cases in the 24 hours ending 9 am on Wednesday. 6 more students of the Zilla Parishad High School at Kottavalasa in Vizianagaram district have tested positive for COVID today. Samples of 60 students were collected after 19 students and a teacher at the school tested positive for the virus yesterday. Now there are 4,736,279 voters, including overseas and service voters in Andhra Pradesh, as per the final electoral roll released by the State Chief Electoral Office. Of the total, 2.05 crore are female voters, 2 crore are men and 4,071 are in the third gender category. Andhra Pradesh State Council for Higher Education Chairman K. Hemchandra Reddy released the annual report for the year 2020-21 at Mangalgiri. He informed that the council has introduced a model curriculum for undergraduate students, which includes conventional as well as professional programs in lines with the National Education Policy 2020. He said a state quality assurance cell has been established to support universities and colleges to promote quality education and get NAAC accreditation. The official also added that a state research board was set up to promote research quality and interinstitutional and multidisciplinary research. Hemchandra Reddy announced that the third phase of counselling for online admissions for general undergraduate programs will begin tomorrow and continue until Sunday. He informed that the students can exercise web options from January 10 to 12. He said after seat allotment is completed on January 17, students should attend college from January 18. Health centers will be open at the counselling centers from January 10. Shifting focus from education to sports, the 5-day National Kabaddi Tournament commenced in Tirupati today, with the men and women's team from Andhra Pradesh winning their first matches against Bihar. It was a one-sided match for the men's team as they scored 54 points against Bihar's 21. The women's team scored 44 points while Bihar managed only 23. Chittoor district Suman and Srikakulam Sandhya played exceptionally well. Tirupati MLA Bhumana Karunakar Reddy handed over checks of 5,000 rupees each to the 2 best performers. With that, it's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Do follow us on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube and download the New Indian Express app for more news and updates.